Take a moment to check out the 2016 Acura TLX. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. The TLX delivers luxury sports styling and performance in a mid-size sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, heated front seat. Heighten your driving experience. Drive the TLX today.